what do you make of what we're seeing in the pre-market right now? Got to remember the Dow and the S&P, they finished at highs last week. And interesting enough, the NASDAQ actually, it hit a high and then closed lower. So what do you make of what we're seeing in the pre-market right now?
I mean, I think the second half of February is historically weak, and you could see a little bit of pullback here just because everything has been so hot recently and just like nothing could lose last week, especially on the heels of Nvidia. But this week, you're having a few more earnings in the hardware side. You may see some pressure there, as well as PCs expected to come in really hot. So generally speaking, this rally is great. It's still intact. Historically speaking, back half of February is a lighter period in the market. So we could see a little bit of a pullback this week if we don't see the earnings numbers kind of justify. Obviously, Salesforce is huge, Dell, some of the other technology names reporting this week.
Yeah, we certainly do have some big names, even after the Magnificent Seven that we were all watching so closely. So I want to look ahead to this day ahead and just also the environment we're in right now. Give us your WEX word of the day. How are you seeing the markets?
I actually had to make up a word to fit this market, and I call it nirvana. It's nirvana, the state of like enlightenment and bliss, and Nvidia combined together, because Nvidia has brought enlightenment and nirvana to this market. And so when I look forward, I think this state could continue, even if we get a little rocky on the short term. It's definitely Nvidia brought bliss to the market, and everybody should be feeling pretty good about that.
All right, so Vicki, this is the second time. You said there could be some short-term disruptions, but in your mind, the momentum trade is going to keep going. So I do want to ask you, aside from the short-term disruptions, which are just natural in the markets, is there anything that can stop the momentum of an Nvidia? Is there anything that can stop the momentum of these markets that you're looking at? Is PCE the thing that we all need to watch out for?
I think PCE is going to come in hot, but it's expected to come in hot. We know it came in hot because of PPI and CPI coming in there, so it's not necessarily fully known, but it is known that it should be pretty hot this week. I think one data point isn't bad. It's expected. The problem is going to be, is this going to be sticky? So I think we can forgive PCE being a little bit hot. It's going to be, okay, what happens if February is sticky and the market continues to reprice? But recently, this market has been driven more by earnings than Fed expectations. You saw the 10-year was pretty stable last week, even though we had some pretty hawkish rhetoric. We had the meeting minutes come out. You had some activities that weren't necessarily super dovish, and the 10-year was able to stay steady. So if earnings come in, you could see that continue to counterbalance as the Fed backs off. We've been saying all year we never expected March. We always thought June or July was a much more reasonable time for cuts to begin. But PCE, it's going to be, is this a blip in the road, or is this a trend? And we can take one bad month, but 2 to 3 sticky months, then people really have to start repricing in this Fed trajectory.
All right, so Vicki Greene, you're saying that the PCE, it could be the pothole in this road higher for the markets, for Nvidia, for a lot of things right now. Something else I want to touch on with you. Speaking of earnings, Berkshire Hathaway hitting a 52-week high following earnings. We have a great CNBC Pro story that talked about the earnings, but also the fact that this stock, if you look at RSI, it's overbought. Is that something that you're looking at in this market? Nvidia also overbought, Berkshire Hathaway overbought. Is that something that concerns you when we're talking about individual stocks?
Absolutely. Short term, RSI is a great trading indicator, and it just means it's moved a little bit too far, too fast. But they've also been overbought since like January. This isn't a new reading. And when you have a fast upward market like this and you have a trending bull market like this, it is likely to stay in overbought a little bit longer. So I'm not necessarily too concerned. I think this just means that some of these leading names are hitting territories. They're hitting new highs. They're hitting all-time highs on some of these stocks. And you just have to be a little bit careful. I tend to like to trim in these areas. I keep my core position. Okay. I keep what I put in there. I might take a little bit of earnings off because they've moved up. I mean, you're going to talk if it opens today where it looks like it's up 20% on the year for a value stock like Berkshire. That's huge.
All right, I want to get to your pick very quickly. It's Dell. Earnings are coming up later this week. You said you're seeing a reacceleration in the PC market. However, Dell shipments were actually down 8% year over year last read. The rest of the market overall was flat. Also, valuation about 25 times forward earnings. Give us the elevator pitch. Why put money into Dell right now?
Look, I do think the PC market is bottoming. They also have a good exposure to the services on the database side, on the enterprise side, not the hyperscaler side. So I see IT spending eventually getting better this year. It's all going to be about the guidance like any other technology stock. Yes, the PC market has been super slow, but I expect that to continue to bottom out. I expect we see more IT spend and an upbeat guidance from them.